get behind the music. Now here Dusty sings.
Yep. So, how do you like this place?
Don't film me.
Alright.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Hey guys, hey, if you're listening to this, well, I would just like to show you this car show for 3 minutes. And yes, I'm the person viewing this channel now. But back to the cars.
Second call, Pro-Am Bikes, Hot Laps. Pro-Am Bikes, Hot Laps, second call.
And over here we have a,
Don't look now, but look now.
Anybody got a car that they'd like to let the video DJ
oh,
drive down here on the track?
what is it, back off?
7 o'clock. If you got an extra car that you let a DJ make a lap
Anyways,
in
all
on the
folks,
radio,
if you know what this car is, please tell me. Thank you.
they'll talk about it on the radio. They'll see us at the registration table. 2 more cars. We got 1, we need 3.
Got a windshield in the back seat.
There's the windshield in the back seat.
See
Of
it?
course. Yeah. If you look closer, you can actually see the windshield, but I can right now, but I'm not sure if you can. So, here we go. Some more stuff. Got some cool stuff here. Cool cars. Yeah.
Hear Dusty sing?
Yeah. My uncle plays in the boogie. Well, there's a good car.
There is an autograph table upstairs by the grandstands on the south side for all the local racing legends. That's open now. RS t-shirts for sale up there for $10.
Well, time's almost up, so.
Legends
before I
autograph
do this,
posters available for free there.
Well,
at that
this has been a good video, but I guess you guys had it.
At the top of the steps,
The last part before
right
we
next to
go.
the main grandstands.
This is the best part.
Racers from
Last
tonight's
part.
program
Don't
will also
actually, when
join
this video's up,
the racing legends.
please
at that
comment down
table
below,
following
and I
each
will
checker
talk to
flag
you.
tonight. So if you want an autograph
Follow
from
me
the
on Facebook,
racers in competition
not
here
Twitter.
tonight, they'll be up there at the autograph table.
Follow me on Facebook too. Once I get famous. And here's a good car. Not sure how much time is left, but I guess you guys like this video. So far I'm just gonna have like 3-minute videos. So until I get an actual recording camera, so you just enjoy the show. Yeah.
In the paddock, Pro-Am Bikes, Pro-Am Bikes, third.
And guys, if you like this video, comment. Let's try to get to at least 100 comments or so. So, here, back to the cars. And if you guys like this video, let's just, change the thing. Let's try to, wait, 4 minutes. My mom said it was 3 minutes. Is this an actual recording camera?
Elvis said we're losing. What is it? Don't get off there.
Pretty cool. Not sure how long this has been. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Alright, we're going back, and here's a preview of cars. If you guys like this video, I don't know how many times I've said this, but just try to get to 1,000 views, or 100, or as much as we can get, and I'll probably put up a next one. So, here's a good one over here. Sorry for the light effect. This is a good one right here. And I just have 15 minutes over. Yes, all these cars are real.
Bubble glass.
They took off the glass?
Bubble glass.
Oh, bubble glass. Papa, let's look at this one. And this car actually confuses me because I'm seriously, when I first saw this car, I thought that was the hood from the side.